Here we have Casa de Carmen in Canillas de Aceituno. It's a very pretty street, very quiet, just off the main centre of the village. And I'm going to explain a few things about this house as we go through. So here we have the entrance, very nicely finished tiling all the way through here. So a very traditional entrance to a village house. And here we come into a living room, dining room, and there is what's used as a bedroom at the moment, but it could be a main living room here, which is a little unusual because it has windows onto the corridor, which I'll show you in a minute, on either side, but not out onto the street. But it has natural daylight because here we have panels which could be improved, but they're there, stopping the water getting in, bringing in that natural daylight here. This could be the place for a new staircase, and potentially arches could be put into these walls. So going back to this dining room, we'll start with the kitchen, small kitchen here. Very traditional, very typical of the village houses. It's been like this since the 70s probably. But at the moment the staircase is here. So if the staircase were taken out, we would have a lot more space in this room. That looks out over the street. So we go up the steps. So there's the window, upstairs window. But this little bathroom here is separated from this area. If the staircase were gone, then this area could be brought across to create more upstairs space. All of this area here. So at the moment this bathroom is more like a washing room, but the potential is all there to have the bathroom because of the plumbing. Then we come into the part of the house that needs most renovation, because the floors here are a little bit uneven, so probably need looking at. A big room, this one. So we can see here that this is just not even parquet, it's lino over the top of concrete. So it probably just needs a little bit of redoing. And then a window that looks out over the patios outside. So here we have this room. And then again, this floor needs a little bit of attention here because it's breaking, concrete's breaking up. But this is just a partition wall, could easily be taken out, and this upstairs area could be rearranged however anyone wanted. There's a little alcove there and another window here overlooking the roof. And we have stairs going up here. Behind here is the second mid-terrace, so you could join the two upstairs areas together. And here we have the roof terrace. It's long and narrow, but plenty of space up here. And some lovely views over the sierra and all the little roofs and windows of all the houses. And overlooking the street at the front. So down there is the entrance that we came in through. So now we're going to go back down through the upstairs, back down to the kitchen. Coming back downstairs, back into the kitchen area and the dining room here. Back at the entrance here. Okay, so we'll go along this corridor here. Very light and bright. These are the windows into that room next door. There's the other window. To the left here we have a small space with no windows. This could be a storeroom, it could be a little office, whatever anyone wanted to make of it really, with sliding doors. And then looking back at the corridor there. We come through here to the end bedroom, which was set up for a disabled member of the family. And that's why there's such a wide entrance to this rather nice bathroom with a very large shower area. And a sink, a mirror, very wide door. Then there's a couple of steps up, 3 steps up, to this little room here. This one doesn't have any windows, but you've got the natural daylight coming in from there. And this goes back into the big room, which could be the living room. We're going to go this way because there's more to this curious house. We have a door here out, little patio area, and then steps going up. So metal steps at the moment. Now this goes to a little roof terrace here, which is what I call the mid terrace. And this wall here is the rest of the house that we saw earlier, with the roof terrace above that. And there's our roof from the passageway. Here we have an extra room, which potentially could be joined to the rest of the house. Quite a large storeroom with the original beams at the end here, with a concrete floor. This is like the concrete floor upstairs, and which had the fake parquet on the floor, which is breaking up. Just needs a bit of repair. So quite a big room in here. So the house is habitable, but it has great potential for changing things, improving the layout, creating a very nice, quiet, but spacious house in the village of Canillas de Aceituno.